있으면 Have you ever heard of Bulgogi? It is very popular Korean dish. It is essentially marinated Korean beef. However, today I'm going to make a healthier version by using two types of mushrooms instead of beef. The marinade is exactly the same in both cases. Okay, let's begin. So for bulgogi surprise, I'm going to use mushrooms, lots of mushrooms. This is fresh shiitake mushrooms, and this is portobello mushrooms. This is really good from RiverFord. Their taste is super good. When we make bulgogi, the sauce is important. Of course, quality of meat is also important, but sauce make it also taste different. So I'm going to make a fresh sauce. 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. When we make bulgogi with meat, we don't use balsamic vinegar, but because I'm going to use mushrooms, I will use balsamic vinegar because they works very well, tastes very good. We use sesame seed oil for bulgogi, but these days I don't use oil, so I will use roasted sesame seed. This is a quarter cup sesame seed, 4 cloves garlic, knobs of ginger, and 1 small onion. And this is my sweetener, apple. Okay, the sauce is for that, so I'm going to make a sauce first. Soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, sesame seed, garlic, apple, ginger, and onion, and just simply blend it. Tastes very good. So sauce is done. Next, I will pare this mushroom. Just trim the edge and just tear them. As you know, mushroom has a little toxin, so you have to always cook. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to slice this portobello mushroom. Many people cook this with the butter, but I just use balsamic vinegar and still tastes very good. Chopping is all done, and I'm going to add the sauce. It is dry, so it's quite hard to mix all together, so I will swirl it like that. In the same way, you can marinate your beef if you prefer beef. Very thin sliced, and make the sauce and then mix with beef and marinate overnight and eat next day. It's very good. It's all well mixed now. So I will marinate this for at least 1 hour. When you marinate them overnight, it will taste better. So I'm going to use tonight. So I will marinate for 1 hour. Okay, meanwhile I will prepare other vegetables like basically garnish. So very thin slice, the carrot and courgette. You can see that bunched carrot. I will taste it because I'm curious about it. This is very sweet. This is very simple, just slice. Very thin slice, so this doesn't need to cook that long, so when it's thin slice, it's better. These are so fresh and it's organic, so I don't peel it. And now courgette, cut in half, and even this one is so sweet. Carrot is sweeter, but still nice. I'm going to eat this with the rice. You can fry them. You don't need any oil. Just fry it, and then put on the sandwiches, like put on bread. Also, you can make a salad with it, and with the rice or with the noodle, you can use many different dishes. Okay, Okay then, let's leave it. This has been done over an hour, so I'm going to cook it now. Not all of them, some of them, and then I will cook it tomorrow. Okay, heat the pan first. Add some pepper. Add vegetables, carrot and courgette. I will add just tiny bit water. So if you need, add some salt. Okay, it's all done. See, all well cooked. So portion of rice, and I will add some mushroom bulgogi, and I cooked some asparagus and pinch of sesame seed. Okay, that's done. Bulgogi surprise done, so I'm going to taste it with some rice. The mushroom have a slightly meaty flavor and texture with the benefit of being healthier as they have a wide variety of anti-cancer properties. Hope you enjoy my recipe. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and please share with your friends and families. See you next time. Bye.